This is a reading for the sign of Leo. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. You have a beautiful weekend ahead of yourselves. If you guys are interested in any type of spiritual information, protection bracelets, amulets, candles, sage, please check out the website divinespiritualoptimist.com. You can find the link in the about section of the channel. All new subscribers, welcome. All returning subscribers, I appreciate you all so much. I'm sending you all lots of love, light, and blessings. With that being said, let's start your reading. You be dealing, you have an earth sign, somebody who's just really slow to commit that's coming towards you. This person really wants to take their time. It's like they coming towards you, they just moving slow. This person make you happy though. You and this person could do a lot of traveling together. You could be dealing with another fire sign. Ooh, okay. Alright, Lazarus. Ace of Pentacles. Somebody who's trying to reconnect. Six of Pentacles. Three of Swords, yeah, somebody from your past who want to come back and like work it out. Yeah, they want a new beginning. I feel like you feel like the trust already been broken between the two of you. Like intuitively, you know that this person is just not what's best for you. I feel like they're gonna come in like really talking a good game here. But you gonna soon find out, like they may come in talking some Ace of Pentacles shit, and then you gonna find out that they're really on some Page of Pentacles shit. You're like, oh, okay. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Could be, is it Leo? Libra. Yeah, you could be a Leo, Virgo cluster. Two of Swords. Somebody feels torn. So it's some harsh truth that brought down like a man. It's like some shit that was not built on anything solid. This shit was like lies, fairy tales. Yeah, it was a justice. You could have like brought truth to light for somebody. So maybe somebody was like entertaining people. I don't know. Like somebody might have been keeping their options open. Yeah. And something was built on something that it just wasn't solid. Like this wasn't solid. I definitely feel like you got this Two of Cups that's coming. You really could, like, either you have a lot of Virgo on your chart or you are a cusper or something like that. But true love awaits me. I feel like you shouldn't be guarded though. I feel like you could have true love that's coming towards you, but you're so guarded from this that you can't get over it. But you're gonna miss out on the opportunity. This person could be younger than you. Could definitely be an earth sign. Yeah, this is something new. Damn. I don't think y'all ever had that happen. Ooh. Jeez Louise. Nine of Swords. Stop stressing. Spirit says stop stressing. You're tripping. You're doing too much. Doing too much of the wrong shit too, by the way. Come in and they're gonna have you all up in your head. You're not gonna trust this person. You're gonna be watching this person. This is your crazy self watching this new person. Whoever this new person is, could be a water sign. I feel like it's an earth sign, but it could be a water sign. Currently, you're working things out with your person. And this could be a person returning. This could be a person returning. This could be a person that's stressing out about you. Because something came out. Something came out and it was found out that shit was like shady and faulty. And it collapsed. But y'all might be coming back together to rebuild it. You're dealing with a Cancer. It could be a little Cancer because I feel like you're moving, or you're getting things moving into the right direction. I feel like ultimately you and this person may decide to work on it. Especially when you're dealing with water signs. You know this person, you and this person, y'all know y'all made for each other. So it's like something that was faulty, like you building it up, rebuilding from a more solid ground. Spirit. Don't get stuck. Don't make yourself stuck. Unstuck yourself if you already stuck. Alright? This shit here, like it's not, don't do that. Create new memories. Cut that old shit out. Alright? Because it just leads to depression. It leads to sadness. You need to get to this space. Get from a space where you are of love. Because love brings abundance. Love brings light. Love brings clarity. Love brings peace. Love brings harmony. Like, get to that place. If this message resonates with you guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. That's all I have for now. Until next time. Peace.